Follow along in this how-to video as I show you a way to repair cloudy headlights with easy-to-use 2K clear. Tape the outside of the headlight. Start off wet sanding with 800 grit horizontally. Wet sand with 1000 grit vertically. Wet sand with 1500 grit horizontally. Finish with 2000 grit horizontally. Remove the old tape. Clean off the headlight. Retape and paper the headlight. Wipe off one final time. Use a tack cloth. Use Spray Max 2K Clear Coat. Check spray pattern. Put on one shiny coat of clear. Wait approximately 5 minutes. Then add a second coat of clear. Allow to dry for 30 minutes before removing tape and paper. Here is how it should look.